Got a few minutes? That's all you need to whip up these quick fix dahi vadas. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. First step to make a quick fix dahi vada is, in my buttermilk, I'm adding crushed green chillies and some ginger paste. I'm going to soak my bread slices which have been toasted. In this mix. Make sure this is soaked well on both sides. To assemble our dahi vadas, I'm putting the pieces of toast onto my serving plate. You can cut them into 4 for easy service. I'm going to add in chaat masala to my yogurt. Coat the bread slices well with the dahi. Top with the green and meethi chutney. Sprinkle with red chilli powder and jeera powder, and garnish with some freshly cut coriander leaves.